Since 2003, we have proudly created fences that combine reliability, innovation, and modern design. We focus on quality, durability, and security. Our company is a place where advanced technology and automation become an everyday reality. We control every stage of production to ensure the highest quality. We use only certified paints and varnishes that guarantee the durability and safety of our panels. Every detail matters. Thanks to advanced quality control processes and the full commitment of our team, our products meet the highest standards. Big-Stal is not only about machines, it is above all about the people who behind the success of our products. The passion and knowledge of our specialists make our fences combine aesthetics with functionality. We continually invest in research and development to create products that are ahead of market expectations. At Big-Stal, innovation is our daily business. Thanks to efficient logistics and an optimized delivery process, our panels are delivered to customers throughout the country and Europe. Each panel is carefully protected so that they arrive intact. Big-Stal is synonymous with durability and quality. For more than 20 years, we've been creating fences that give security and beauty to any space. Big-Stal, quality and durability you can trust for years to come.